Systematic investment plan in Wealthsimple allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly, helping you build wealth over time through disciplined investing. Here's how to set up SIP using Wealthsimple. Sign up or log in. Visit the Wealthsimple website or open the Wealthsimple app. Sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Choose Wealthsimple Invest. For a robo-advisor approach with automatic investments, select Wealthsimple Invest. This service automatically manages and diversifies your investments based on your goals and risk tolerance. Set up your account. Complete the onboarding process by providing personal information, including your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment preferences. Start your investment plan. Wealthsimple Invest. Once your account is set up, navigate to the funding section. Choose the amount you want to invest and set the frequency. Wealthsimple will automatically deduct the specified amount from your linked bank account and invest it according to your portfolio. Monitor and adjust. Track your investments and performance through the Wealthsimple app or website. You can adjust the investment amount or frequency if needed. Review statements. Regularly review your account statements to stay updated on your SIP's progress and make any necessary adjustments.